Hi everyone, here we've got Alcatel U5 HD, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the camera app, and now let me show you the actual evidence that the reset options will work. So let me turn on the timer and let me set it on, for example, 8 seconds. Remember this change, this small change, and now actually we can try to reset the settings. So let's enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom, and here we've got the reset settings option. So let's tap on it, and now your device is telling you that all camera settings will be lost. So if you are ready, tap on reset, and as you can see, we just got back to our camera, and let's take a look at the timer icon. Right now it is crossed out, so it means that it has been turned off, so it means that we successfully reset all camera settings. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your Alcatel U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.